Gleneagles, I think surely you can get passenger to go back somewhere, right?
Anywhere from Gleneagles is not a good place to go.
Not a nice place.
I see Gleneagles, that's why I try to help you guys only. I thought got any emergency Mana tahu visit friend
A friend emergency lor.
Oh really Oh then okay
That's why the timing is all out lor.
Yeah.
You cannot, there's no time, is it?
Cannot predict the time.
Cannot predict.
Because now I see location and where customer go and agak also. Normally if your location is going to Ampang Point, I'm not going on.
You won't go already.
100% I won't go on. Because
why last time Grab will give us an option who you want to choose. Now no option straight away your name comes out.
Yeah.
Last time got option one. You can choose what car you want, who you want.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean can choose driver?
Last time I got one.
Huh?
I used to get two different drivers, two different cars.
I get sometimes 4 people's faces there. Then I see who
Choose
I want.
which one you want.
Yeah. Last time.
Now it's only one face.
Now straight away no choice. Last time I thought you can choose car also.
Car also got. Yes.
How long ago?
Just a few months ago,
No. Maybe a few years
more
ago.
Than
when they first started.
When you all first started. So you can choose a Myvi,
Really?
Can choose car
Myvi, you can
also.
choose a different car and a Proton and all that.
They want so long time ago. The
long
My
time
Taxi
ago.
time.
Yeah lah.
Yeah. They give you a choice.
Why now they don't allow us to choose? Supposing I need a bigger car for luggage, then how?
6-seater lor.
Huh?
6-seater.
But that one can choose 6-seater So you must say
No, you select 6-seater
But no, now got no choice.
Can select. Can.
Maybe we don't know how to do the selection.
Because the selection different already you need to click on the icon then change
I see.
A bit different
We don't know how to do that.
just explore the apps press wrong never mind
Not add 3 cars come to that.
Hey, maybe they blacklist you.
Yeah.
Well, like you say, we don't know just testing only You check our record, we never make mistake then maybe can spare
Never cancel last minute. Cancel last minute, you don't like.
But now cancel last minute need to pay 3 ringgit
3 ringgit I think it's fair shouldn't just cancel.
Yeah, cannot simply cancel like that. Unless they cannot find or they cannot this and that, then no choice.
Still got one. Still got one.
A lot of people do that.
What kind of people also got?
You see the motorbike, this is very dangerous.
Because they don't know the right timing to in out.
Yeah, they go in and out.
If they meet regular driver, okay If they see a P driver, then they have to be careful. They need to run away from the P driver. P driver no experience.
Hey, now so many these food panda everywhere, so scary.
Their earning is more better than driving.
Is it? Food panda. But they they in the hot sun one thing. Is it? In and out everywhere, dangerous, food panda.
Rain also they go.
But most of them they are quite lazy one.
Is it?
I don't understand.
All the time.
I don't understand why they must lepak. Like me, I drive. I never stop. I never stop aside and lepak and rest for a long time one.
They must rest maybe tired hot
Motor what tired
short hot.
Yeah, food panda short distance only.
Yeah
Not that far. And then they run.
You mean they earn quite good money?
Yeah, they earn better than drive car.
Really?
Yeah. But maybe because of new new, so they got incentive bonus everything
A lot of them
But the Grab car last time I sat in one the guy tell me he can earn 8 to 10,000 a month.
The time when Grab pay money to driver
The beginning time
Not beginning last year still can get that. Last year still can get This year totally impossible already
Yeah, really
Impossible. You drive 16 hours a day also cannot get.
Oh, really They're so mean
16 hours a day.
Pay to drive. Pay to be a Grab driver.
I see.
Last time just pay only
Maybe too many drivers this way. They don't need any.
Wait, next time they don't have enough.
No they conquer the whole market already.
They monopolize already. Somebody else should come up
They got the system calculate and know like most of the people now already complete rely on Grab car. No matter how much the price is, they will still go.
Have to use Grab.
Like I say example, if this price go until 40, 50 something,